As heartwarming as their bond was, time introduced a difficult challenge. Hippos usually grow fast and eventually become huge. A fully grown male hippo can weigh over 7,000 pounds, and Owen was rapidly approaching a size where even an accidental bump could seriously injure his ancient companion. The caretakers at Haller Park faced a painful but necessary decision. For Mzee's safety and for Owen's development, they had to separate them. Owen also needed to learn how to live as a hippo, which meant forming relationships with his own kind. He was introduced to a female hippo named Cleo, and in 2007, Owen and Mzee were moved into separate but neighboring enclosures. Though no longer together, their connection remained unforgettable. Their story has inspired many best-selling books. Their relationship stands as a powerful reminder. Connection isn't limited by age, appearance, or even species. Sometimes, in moments of loss and fear, comfort arrives from the most unexpected places.